In this tutorial, we'll examine the use of variable statistics. Statistical information about a variable can easily be enabled and displayed on a Movicon screen. Here we're going to take a look at a variable called var_float, whose statistics are enabled. If we change the value of this variable, we can see its statistical information will change. We're going to adjust it up to 0.04 and then also to 50. If we take a look over at the statistical information, we can see that the max value is 50, the min value is 0.04, there's an average value, and the total time on counter is active. If we reset this to 0, we'll see that the total time on stops and the min value is also 0. Statistics can be displayed for the day, week, as well as the month and year. You can use the built-in reset statistics command to zero this information out. These are only a couple of examples of ways to use variable statistics. Let's take a look at how it's done. We are working in Movicon 11.4. We're going to take a look at how to enable statistical information for a variable. We're going to be working with the screen Variable Statistics. If we open the screen, we can see there are many edit box display objects on the screen. They are all connected to the same variable. First, we're going to take a look at how to enable and disable statistical data in our project by clicking on the project name and then looking in the project properties. We'll scroll down a little bit here under the execution group, advanced, and then enable statistics. Here you can see it's checked, and this is set by default when you create a project. Next, we're going to look at how to enable statistics on a variable. For that, we're going to open up our real-time database and look for the folder simple var, where we will find our variable var_float. If we select it and look at its properties, we'll see under the general advanced group that the enable statistic data is set to true. This allows Movicon to keep track of the information for this variable. If we look at a couple edit boxes here, we can see that they're all connected to the same variable, var_float. There is a slight difference, however, on the information that they are displaying. Take a look at the first one here. Again, we can see that it's connected to var_float, and the value to display is the default variable value. Next, if we look at the edit box next to day min value, we can see also var_float is the variable it's displaying, but the value to display is set to day variable min value, selected from the picker list here, where we can see life, day, week, month, and year data that can be displayed. We'll also just take a look here at the month min value, and you can see the same thing. Value to display, month, variable, min value. Now with the statistical life counters, they can actually be reset in runtime, as you saw earlier. We can add a command to a button or an object on the screen. So we're going to click on our Reset Statistics button here and go look at the command that was configured. Here you can see variable reset statistics var_float. If we go in further and edit to take a look at that, we can see the variable var_float was selected, and the action from the picker list reset statistics is used. This allows you to reset these life counters or life values to 0 during runtime. That concludes this short tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, we welcome you to use the Movicon Learning Center comment section below. As a reminder, you can download this example project from the link provided on the web page.